We're Multifab Metals Engineering Ltd. My name's Franc D'agnano, I'm Managing Director of the company. We've been formed now for close to 13 years, started in 2000. When we purchased our laser some 18 months ago now, obviously we needed software to go hand in hand with that. We did some market research and invited 2 or 3 UK-based companies. The SigmaNEST was the best and most appropriate software for us, mainly because of its versatility and the number of different facets it's got. This has led us to try and actively promote our ability to carry out laser processing work for the UK market.
Since we introduced SigmaNEST, we produce work to the highest standards, hence bringing down costs to be more efficient. There's been a vast improvement in the overall material usage of the company.
As production director, I am responsible for the running of the workshop once the jobs have come through from the front office. The sheet metal, I've noticed quite a lot less scrap that we're throwing out now. We're actually looking at filling in some of the gaps that we get from the leftover plates. We should be needing to buy less material, which in the long term is going to save us money again.
As a company, Multifab Metals Engineering offer a complete service from concept design to completion, site delivery and, if necessary, site installation. We believe we have the equipment, software and staff to back up a rapid and cost-efficient turnaround in laser profiling.